Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to the brand new Keywords on Fire tool. This is the best tool for keyword research on the market right now. It is absolutely packed with insightful information. Let's dive in and take a look. All right, so as you can see, I'm inside of the new Keywords on Fire tool. I've already run some searches. These are some interesting products that I don't sell yet, but I'm interested in potentially selling. So I'm just gonna show you how it works. The first thing that you do is you add products to the list. And you can do that by adding products by phrases. So for instance, if I was interested in selling something like yoga mats, I would start my search. And what the tool is doing right now is it's gonna pull the top 50 listings on Amazon for yoga mat. Now you can see here I have 50 products. I'm gonna select them all and we're gonna add these products to tracking. So as you can see, they've all populated into the ASIN bar up here. We're gonna run the keyword analysis. Now this takes a second, guys. It takes about 3-4 minutes or so because we're scanning so much data on Amazon to bring you the keyword information and data. So you can see here that it says fresh data is on the way. We'll let you know the second it's ready. Let's just dive into one of these other searches though. This analysis was for cheese boards. And as you can see, this is what it looks like when you're inside of the keyword tool. You have seriously all of the information you could possibly need for your keyword research. So for instance, we have the list of keywords, we have an actual numerical score which takes into account the search volume, the actual revenue generated by those keywords, and then like how competitive those keywords are. And we just order them by which ones are the best in our opinion based on our algorithm, which has been tested for many months. So as you can see, some key information that you'll get from this list: the actual dollars generated by keywords, the search volume, how many competitors in the list of competitors when we first created our list have the keyword and they rank for that keyword, the number of units sold, reviews, average price, how many listings have the keywords in their title, and then finally the PPC bid and the top 3 converting clicks and shares. Or conversions, excuse me. There's a bunch of filters and amazing things that you can do here. I would recommend diving into the tool because this thing, again, it is absolutely amazing for your product or your keyword research, and you're gonna wanna just check it out. One really quick pro tip, and I'm really happy about this feature, this is amazing, is you can actually add all of these keywords and keyword phrases to Listing Optimizer. And what this does is it allows you to check the keywords in that list against an existing listing. So this is where if you were wanting to optimize your keywords for your listing, you would pull in the list of keywords and then you'd pull in your ASIN information and then you'd scan them. We would actually tell you, okay, that these keywords show up in your title, your bullets, your description, and your backend keywords. So this is just, again, a massively powerful tool towards making sure that you rank for as many keywords as possible, because as we all know, if you're not visible to your entire audience, then you're just missing out on sales. So don't miss out on sales, guys. Try Keywords on Fire today. Sign up for a free trial below.